Welcome to Lesson 1.1, the definition of OSINT. In this lesson, we'll build a clear foundation for understanding open-source intelligence and why it has become such an essential tool in journalism, investigations, and research. Before we go deeper, let's understand what we aim to achieve in this lesson. By the end, you should clearly understand what OSINT means, what open source actually refers to, and why there is an important difference between information and intelligence. These concepts may sound simple, but they form the backbone of professional investigative work. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. It refers to information collected from publicly available sources and then carefully analyzed to support decision-making. The key idea here is not just collecting data, but analyzing it to gain meaningful insight. OSINT is widely used in journalism, cybersecurity, law enforcement, and academic research. What is open source? The term open source simply means information that is publicly accessible. This includes news websites, social media platforms, public records, government reports, satellite imagery, and many other open resources. If the public can legally access it, it can potentially become part of OSINT. Transparency and accessibility are what make open source information so powerful. Information versus intelligence. Now, let's clarify a very important distinction: information versus intelligence. Information is raw data, facts, posts, images, documents. Intelligence, however, is what you get after analyzing that information. It involves connecting pieces together, verifying accuracy, and extracting meaningful conclusions. In short, information is data. Raw information vs. analyzed intelligence. Let's break this down further. Raw information might be a social media post, a news article, or a public database entry. On its own, it may lack context or accuracy. But when that data is verified, cross-checked, and analyzed, it becomes intelligence. That transformation, from scattered data to actionable insight, is what makes OSINT valuable. Importance of OSINT. OSINT plays a major role in investigative reporting. Journalists use it to verify claims, track misinformation, and uncover hidden connections. It also promotes transparency, allowing professionals to validate facts using publicly available sources. In today's digital age, OSINT is a powerful tool for accountability. OSINT in investigations. In investigations, OSINT can provide critical evidence that might not be available through traditional methods. Investigators use open data to track activities, verify identities, and analyze digital footprints. This allows them to make informed decisions and focus on the most relevant leads. OSINT in research. OSINT is also essential in academic and professional research. Researchers use open data sources to gather reliable information, identify trends, and strengthen their findings. It provides innovative tools for data collection and supports evidence-based analysis. OSINT provides powerful insights and clarity in an information-rich world. But remember, its true power lies not in access to data, but in the ability to analyze and interpret it responsibly. In the next lessons, we'll explore how to apply these principles effectively and ethically.